Listen to me carefully. Your AI video tool has amnesia. Every time you open a new generation tab, it forgets everything. Your character, your lighting, your world, your rules. That's why your main character morphs into a different person between shots. That's why the mood collapses from Gothic cathedral to flat sitcom. It's not a prompting problem. It's a memory problem. You've been playing a slot machine and calling it a pipeline. Today, that ends. I built a full cinematic ad for a fictional Gothic amusement park, Nocturne Park, completely solo, inside one platform, using an AI agent that actually remembers my project. This video is sponsored by Flova, and I'm going to show you the exact 3-stage workflow, start to finish. Before we break down how, look at the result. Welcome to Nocturne Park. The stained glass Ferris wheel glowing from the inside. The Gothic coaster curving through cathedral ruins, the Raven carousel, and Grim, our stone gargoyle mascot, perfectly, boringly consistent in every single shot he appears in. Same horns, same stone texture, same sash across the entire ad. That consistency is not luck, and it's not 1,000 rerolls. It's what happens when the AI driving your project shares one brain with it. Here's what I need you to understand about Flova, because it is easy to get wrong. Flova is not a model wrapper with some nice features bolted on. It's an AI-native video creation agent platform. An agent that holds your entire project in its head, your world rules, your characters, your creative logic, and that changes the shape of the work itself. My workflow has exactly 3 stages. Stage 1, I teach the agent my world before generating anything. Stage 2, before every shot, the agent shows me its plan and we align. Stage 3, when something breaks, we fix the shot. That's the whole system. Let me show you each stage on a real production. Stage 1, and this is the stage everyone skips. Before I generate a single frame, I teach the agent my world. Watch what I'm actually doing here. I'm writing my creative methodology, the world building, the lighting law, the character rules, straight into the project's context. This is the agent's brain. Nocturne Park exists in permanent twilight. Every light source is warm candlelight against cold stone. Grim is cute, but slightly menacing. Never fully cute, never fully monster. Once that's memorized, it governs everything the agent does for the rest of the production. Then, I generate Grim's model sheets right here, and I file them into the project, tagged, organized, part of the same memory. And yes, the asset library is genuinely useful. Next year's sequel opens with everything intact, but hear me clearly. The library is the filing cabinet, not the brain. The brain is the context. From this moment on, every shot I ask for is driven by the exact same creative logic. I never re-explain the horns, the stone, the sash, or the twilight ever again. The world is locked in, the agent remembers. Stage 2 is where you stop gambling. Here's the moment that matters. I type a lazy 3-word prompt where carousel spinning. And before anything generates, before a single credit is spent, the agent shows me its plan. Look at this. Prompt preview is an alignment check. The agent read my project context from stage 1 and expanded my 3 words into the full shot it intends to execute. And I can see exactly how it understood me. Permanent twilight in there, warm candlelight in there. It pulled my own world rules into the plan without me repeating them. And if the plan is 90% right, I fix the 10% right here. I'm punching up the candlelight on the ravens, and only then do I hit generate. This is what control and trust actually look like with an AI agent. You don't pray after the fact. You align before it. Flova runs multiple top-tier generation engines under the hood, and the agent picks the right native capability for the job. And on that note, Seedance 2.5 is planned as an upcoming integration, subject to official announcements. When it lands inside this exact same aligned workflow. Stage 3 is about momentum, because here's the dirty secret of AI filmmaking. Something always breaks. Look at this close-up of Grim at the gates. Lighting's perfect, motion's smooth, and in the last half second, his left eye melts into the stone. In the old workflow, this is where your project dies. You throw the clip away, re-roll, lose the lighting you love, and pray the character survives the regeneration. Not here. I isolate exactly the moment that's wrong, mask the eye, and tell the agent what to fix. And because it's the same agent that holds my entire project context, it repairs only that localized element. The other 90% of the shot and the whole sequence around it never gets touched. We don't restart, we don't re-roll, we surgically fix the broken piece, and the project keeps moving forward. That is the difference between owning a bag of AI tools and running an AI native production. Now watch all 3 stages compress into one take, because this is the actual payoff. I want one more shot for the ad. Grim waving from the coaster's front car. I type one short line. I don't describe the park, the twilight, the candlelight, or the gargoyle. The agent already knows that's stage 1. The preview shows me its plan. I approve. Stage 2. It generates. One small touch-up at shot level, stage 3, and it drops straight into my sequence. Look at the clock. That's a finished cinematic shot, on model, on mood, in minutes. Teach once, align every time, fix without restarting. The features aren't the point. The loop is the point. When you stop treating AI like a slot machine and start treating it like an agent-managed production, the entire job changes shape. An agent that memorizes your world, shows you its plan before it spends your credits, and fixes single shots without killing your sequence. That's not 3 features. That's a different way of making films. And right now, Flova is the platform built around it. Flova sponsored this video, and here's the bottom line I'd give you anyway. If the consistency problem has been the wall between you and finishing an actual project, this workflow is the way over it. Links in the description, and tell me in the comments, what world would you build with an agent that actually remembers? I read all of them, and honestly, I might build the best one. Keep creating, build your systems, and I'll see you in the next one.